Gusii uyu kabiri gucia gucoka kurwa timu yo Sammy Okoth nigo yaretire obwoba nemaiga ere kweranga timu ya Shabana gusa mashabiki be timu ya Shabana nigo baro abange mono na timu yo neganetio mokocha uranyare kobaga guikirania amaganio ya mashabiki be timu yo nikabire buna Sammy Okoth nigo arache kurwa rube bene liyo gotiga emermo kurwa timu yo korende chinkwana chiaye maiga yagosori yo tichiri na kinga ere utigire koba umukocha monene bwe timu yo ya Shabana iye nero yarenge nkwana ya maiga yagosori yo yobosoku.
I just feel everything didn't go right, and it's very unfortunate that it happened. So it is not, I'm not okay with whatever happened, and I just feel I should let it go at the moment. I should just relax and maybe let somebody else come and do the job, because 4-0 is a defeat that I've never ever gone through since I started my career as a coach. Yeah, I feel that is the right thing to do at the moment, because this is a team that has a lot of crowd, and they deserve much better than what happened today. I am proud of whatever I've done ever since I got into this team. I think they also know what I've done to the team, assembling the team, getting promoted, and everything of the sort. So I just leave feeling proud that they gave me the opportunity to their team, and I've done all that I felt was right to them.